At first, no one noticed her. Just another lamb standing quietly in a pen, soft wool, steady breath, ordinary eyes. But hidden inside her cells was a secret that would shake science to its core. In the winter of 1996, inside a small laboratory in Scotland, researchers worked under dim lights and constant doubt. For years, cloning mammals had failed. Cells refused to cooperate. Embryos collapsed before life could begin. Many believed the idea itself was impossible, that once a cell specialized, its past could never be undone. Yet night after night, the team persisted, not with grand speeches or cinematic breakthroughs, but with patience. Microscopes hummed, pipettes clicked, and a single adult cell, taken from the udder of a sheep, was quietly stripped of its identity. Here's the question no one could answer at the time. Could a fully grown cell be turned back into the beginning of life? That cell was fused with an empty egg. A spark of electricity mimicked nature's first command: begin, divide, live. Most attempts failed. Many embryos never made it past the earliest moments. Each failure tightened the tension. Each success felt fragile, temporary, almost unreal. Then, against expectation, one embryo held on. It was implanted. Weeks passed, then months. Each ultrasound carried risk. Every heartbeat felt borrowed. The scientists didn't celebrate. They waited. On July 5, 1996, a lamb was born. She was healthy, calm, breathing on her own. They named her Dolly, and only then did the world learn the truth. Dolly wasn't just a copy. She was proof. Proof that biological time could be rewound, that the instructions for an entire life still existed inside a single adult cell. The announcement detonated across the globe. Awe collided with fear. Headlines asked uncomfortable questions. If we could clone a sheep, what came next? But inside the lab, the emotion was quieter. Relief, exhaustion, wonder. Dolly wasn't a monster or a miracle. She was a living answer to a question humans had asked for centuries. How fixed is life, really? Dolly lived a normal sheep's life. She grazed, she aged, she became a mother. And in doing so, she reminded the world that scientific revolutions don't always arrive with thunder. Sometimes they arrive softly, on four legs, chewing hay. If this story sparked your curiosity, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, do you think cloning changed how we understand life itself?